Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, sometimes content looks great on desktop but just doesn't work on mobile. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to hide elements on mobile in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, look for webflow.com on your favorite browser. So after tapping on this link, it will take you all the way to the website or your website, where you should just log in using your email address and password. So it's time now to open the Webflow designer. As you see, guys, click on the mobile landscape or mobile portrait here at the top. For example, this is the mobile view. Then open the style settings. With the element selected, go to the style panel. So as you see, we're gonna select the header, for example, or we're gonna select this block, and it will open this style menu all the way. So set display to none by changing the display setting to none. So basically we're gonna go to display, we have this none. As you see, we have block. You can change it to block, or basically you can change it to none here. As you see, a simple Webflow e-commerce template to get you started is shown here all the way. Build your dream store. Then confirm the visibility on other breakpoints. Switch back to desktop to ensure the element still appears there. So for example, if we put this on none, we're gonna go back to here and see if it's still looking good. As you see, it's basically fine. So it's looking good on all of the other elements. So we're gonna go back to check the block option. So after basically switching back to desktop to ensuring the element still is there, we're gonna preview your page by checking that the element is hidden only on mobile. As for some tips, never hide important navigation or CTA buttons. Use hidden instead of deleting elements. You can also hide elements only on desktop if needed, so keep it in mind. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.